Hello everyone, welcome to this channel and we are going to make today awesome delicious cheesecake. It's a raw no baking. So without making any delay, let's move on. So for this what all things we require. So there is a thin crust and down of that. So for that crust we require some ingredients peanuts, jaggery, and dry coconut. And this is a cacao bean, so it's a roasted one. I get it from like that, or else you can use cacao powder. So I'm going to add here cacao beans, five, or you can add some more like 7 to 8 also. So then peanuts, I have taken here half cup of peanuts. It's a roasted one. Okay, then you can add dry coconut. It's a coconut gola, we say no, that one, quarter cup, and quarter cup of jaggery. So close the lid and grind this into a coarse grind, not smooth paste. It's a coarse grind. So if you want this cacao powder, you can add some more. If you like the taste of chocolatey kind of thing, then you can add some more. So then it will become dark powder also. So now can you see this mixture how it is? It's not smooth paste, okay? And you can taste it. If it requires some more, you can add some sweet or anything else. So take a mold of cup shapes, or if you have any mold, all those things. I'm just using this tray, and just place this down. Some take some measurement if you want, like exact measurement, or I'm just spreading it out everywhere, and just press it down gently to the bottom, like this way. And what we are going to do is like layer wise, right? Let's make a cream cheesecake right? It's a cake means like cupcakes we are doing it. So let's make cream. For this we have taken here cashews. So you can go ahead and take soaked cashews also, that's fine, or you can use raw one, raw cashews. So I have taken here half cup cashews and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So grind that fast, and let's add some more ingredients to this. That is, I have taken here dragon fruit, or you can go for any fruit. Yes, you can go for any fruit. So and add that like quarter cup. And I have taken here milk. It's a thick milk, not thin one. Thick coconut milk. You can use any plant-based milk. It's not cow milk or dairy. It's a plant-based milk. So grind that. See, grind into smooth paste this one. So now add jaggery syrup. I'm adding here jaggery syrup, 2 tablespoons. Just melt the jaggery on stove, adding little water, then it will become syrup. So that you can add here 2 tablespoons. I'm adding, but you can see the sweetness. If you want more, you can add. You're free to add more. Okay, just grind it, and again see the taste. If you find little less or something, just add it. So it should be like this consistency. It's nice, right? So one cream is ready. So we are going to add this one layer. So add to all the cups. Isn't it so delicious? I like this cream taste and all, and it was amazing, tasting amazing. And now see, I have left over this much. Okay, for this only I'm adding 1 tablespoon of jaggery syrup again, and we are adding here cacao powder. See, I have shown that beans, right? Roasted bean, cacao bean. So I have just grinded that one, and I'm adding here half teaspoon, and I'm grinding it. Let's see the taste, and then we will check if it requires some more, we can add. So I'm just seeing the taste. It's like it requires some more cacao powder. Taste is less, so even the sweetness. So I'm adding one, again half teaspoon of cacao powder. So it will become total of 1 teaspoon. And jaggery syrup also I'm adding some of. So you can just taste it, and if you want some more, you can add. So now the color is also a little dark, right? You can add some more also. But before that, you just see it shouldn't be more, right? So mine is now perfect. So I'm adding this thing to the cups which we have already filled that white color cream. Now it is a brown, little brown color, so it's a chocolate, right? So add this like everything, and you can give a topping of anything like fruits, or if you have a chocolates, direct chocolates, that also you can put. So I'm decorating like dragon fruit and that chocolates. So chocolates also I have shown in one video, so how to make those chocolates. So if you want that recipe, please check in the description link. So you have, once it done, you just keep this in a freezer, not fridge, freezer. So once you keep there, once it is settled, then you can just take it out, keep outside for 1 minute, that is enough, not 1 minute also, like little while, and then serve it. So it's so delicious and yummy, it's very elegant and creamy texture, and you can have this. See, I'm having it, it's so delicious, like I can't stop it for one spoon. Like I wanted to eat full, like I want to finish. So it's very tasty and delicious. You had to try this out. It's not a difficult thing. It's very easy. Whenever you want, you can make it, and you can serve to your friends and guests. And even you can keep this for any function, a birthday party and all. But make sure that when serving time is there, then only you take it out from the freezer, because that cream is so soft, that's why. So yeah, our delicious cupcake, cheese cupcake, is ready to serve, and you can have it and enjoy it. See, so super, right? Very delicious. My mouth is watering. I wanted to have some more now. So I finished it like I only half of the cakes I finished it because it's so tasty. And yes, you can have this whenever you want. And please, please, please share this recipe to your friends and family also. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please go for a healthy version. Don't go for like outside food, like buying those things from outside. You can make it by yourself in a healthy way, right? Thank you so much, and see you in the next video, guys. Namaste.